In the heart of the oil-rich landscapes, where the sun rises with the promise of a new day, a dedicated group of individuals embarks on a journey beneath the Earth's surface. As the first light breaks on the horizon, drill workers gear up for a day filled with challenges and triumphs. The sprawling oil fields become a canvas for their intricate ballet of machinery and human skill. The air is thick with anticipation as the crew assembles, their faces reflecting the grit and determination required to navigate the intricacies of drilling. The thunderous roar of the drilling rigs echoes through the morning air, signaling the commencement of a meticulous dance with the earth. With precision and expertise, the drill workers operate colossal machinery, orchestrating the extraction of liquid gold buried deep beneath the surface. Each turn of the drill represents not just a physical task but a testament to their unwavering commitment to powering the world. Amidst the clatter and hum of machinery, communication is key. The drill workers, a tight-knit community, rely on seamless coordination to ensure the safety and efficiency of their operations. Their teamwork is a testament to the collective spirit that propels the industry forward. The scorching sun reaches its zenith, casting shadows over the drilling site. The drill workers, unfazed by the heat, continue their mission with determination. Beneath the surface, layers of rock and sediment give way to the prized reservoirs of oil. It's a delicate balance between technological prowess and the unpredictable nature of the Earth itself. Safety is paramount, and every precaution is taken to mitigate risks. Hard hats and safety gear are donned with a sense of responsibility, a reminder that success in this field requires not just skill but a commitment to well-being. As the sun begins its descent, the drill workers reflect on the day's accomplishments. The fruits of their labor are not just barrels of oil but a contribution to the global energy landscape. The oil fields, once a blank canvas, now bear the imprints of their dedication and expertise. In this challenging profession, where every drop of oil extracted is a triumph, these individuals continue to play a pivotal role in fueling the world's progress.